I must really thank the Aga Khan Trust and the state government and the US consulate for putting in great efforts in restoring and in bringing back this great historical legacy of Hyderabad. And I remember very vividly coming over here as a child from my school trips from HPS Begumpet. But this has been a fantastic job has been done, and I thank the Aga Khan Trust, His Excellency Prince Rahim, and may I remind His Excellency that it was Aga Khan III who was instrumental in constructing the present Aligarh Muslim University. And in 1920, Aga Khan III had given 1 lakh rupees for the construction of the present Aligarh Muslim University building. So your connection with India and Hyderabad and history continues, and I thank all of them, and I thank the Honorable Chief Minister for sparing his precious time and coming over here. And I would really request the Honorable Chief Minister to examine the proposal made by the Aga Khan Trust in maintaining these 7 tombs so that this can be maintained and preserved also. Thank you very much.
I welcome each one of you to Telangana, a land full of history, culture and traditions that date back thousands of years. The region was ruled by Shatavahanas, Kakatiyas, Quth Shahis and Nizam dynasty and others, each living behind their unique cultural imprint. Telangana is home for
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. May I request you all to be seated? Thank you. It gives me great privilege to welcome all of you here today.